Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic function. Now let us start with the definition. A function is a rule or mapping or correspondence which maps every element. Remember, every. This is very important word. Every element of one set called domain to some element of another set called codomain uniquely. This is second important word in this definition. Now what does it mean? First of all, keep this in your mind that function is basically a relation, but a special relation. And what is a special in the function as compared to relation? These 2 points, every and uniquely. Let us discuss. Every is very simple, means when I draw the Venn diagram of a relation, then it may be mapping of any element of set A to any element of B, and in any sense, like one element of A is mapped with 2 element of B, and some elements are free. So in function, every element of A is mapped. First thing is that this is the meaning of every. No element in A is free or unmapped. And second, uniqueness. Again we go to this diagram. In first diagram you can see one pre-image is having 2 images. So this is not possible in function. It may possible many pre-images having same image, but one pre-image must not be having more than one image. So this is the meaning of uniqueness. Now second, so if we see the roster form, then it may possible that 2 and 4 you can see they are having same image. So it is possible, but the pre-image 2 is being repeated here, like 2 is having image 3 and 2 is having image 4. So it is not possible in a function. So remember this. Now next is type of function. Now these are 4 Venn diagrams where we can see one in diagram 1 it is satisfying both condition of function, same in 2, 3 and 4. But there are some differences, like first difference, in first 2 diagram you can see there is one unmapped element in B or codomain. So we can say range is different. This is range. So this is subset of codomain. So these kind of function are called into function. Now one more thing we can observe, that in diagram 1 2 pre-images are having one image, whereas in diagram 2 every pre-image is having different image. So first function is called many one and second is called one one. So complete name of first and second is many one into and many one onto. Many one into and one one into. Whereas in third and fourth there is no free element in B, so these are called onto function. Whereas third is also many one function and fourth is one one function. So four functions are many one into, many one onto, one one onto. So if a function is not many one, then it must be one one, and if function is not into, then it must be onto. And different names of one one and onto function are: one one function can be written as injective, onto surjective, and which is one one onto both, that is bijective. So remember these terms also. Now let us understand condition for onto. If we draw the diagram of any into function, then we can see there is one unmapped element. So this one is range and set B is codomain. So clearly range is subset of codomain. in case of into function. But when the function is onto, then there is no free element in B. That means range and codomain are same. So this is the official condition for function to be onto. Now let us understand condition for 1-1. We say in 1-1 function, if two pre-images are different, then images are also different. Okay? But if we consider this pair of statement with this statement, now here we are saying different pre-images, different images, and here we are saying same images means same pre-images. So we can understand that both pair of statement are giving same message. So in spite of prove something not equal, we are proving something equal in case of 1-1. So message is same. So this one is official statement for 1-1, official condition. That means if two pre-images are equal, then their images must be equal, or if two images are equal, then their pre-images must be equal. Okay, so this is official condition for 1-1. The next is horizontal line test for 1-1 function. This is also good one. Now suppose there is a graph of any function and I draw a horizontal line. Then if a horizontal line is striking twice or more than one, maybe thrice or so many times, so that means function is not 1-1. And if horizontal line is striking only once, so that is function 1-1. So this is called horizontal line test. One more thing, one should not have a mindset about a function being 1-1 or onto. For example, y is equal to x square. Now we know that minus 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4. So different pre-images are having same image. So that means it is not 1-1 function. But if it is defined from R to R, Z to Z, then obviously it is not 1-1 function. But if it is defined from n to n, now there are no negative number to be substituted in x. So obviously in that case, this function is 1-1. Similarly, by horizontal line test, we can see that sine is not a 1-1 function clearly. But if I am asking sine from 0 to pi by 2 only, from this interval to all real numbers, then we can see that graph of sine is defined up to here, and here by horizontal line we can see it is 1-1 function. So it is very important to check that from where to where the function is defined, then we can comment on 1-1 as well as onto. That's it. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.